Want to see what stocks politicians are secretly buying? Here's how you can track trades from people like Brad Knott step by step to get a 70% gain in 6 months, like he did when he bought Compose Secure around the same time. Hi, I'm Ace and I built a 400k plus portfolio in just under 5 years in my early 20s by using Warren Buffett's value principles, my bachelor's degree in finance and investment, and the real estate cycle. And today, I'll show you exactly how to spot, verify, and evaluate politicians' trades so you can kind of use all this information like a pro. Step 1. Go to all the websites that track filings for you. Now, you don't need to read government PDFs anymore. Sites like QuiverQuant or Capital Trades or Open Secrets all aggregates all of this information and official disclosures that US lawmakers are required to file. Just type in the politician's name, for example, Brad Knott, and you'll see all the stocks they have bought or sold with the date and value of the investment. Step 2. Putting the trade in context. Always check what committees the politician actually sits on. Now, if Knott sits on a financial or defense committee and he suddenly decides to buy CompoSecure, a payment card and defense linked supplier, that timing is a bit too perfect and raises question. Then you line up the date of the trade with news. Was there an earnings report, a new contract, or industry legislation being discussed? Timing matters here. After that, for confirmation, check the company board of directors for relevant family members. In this case, his brother, Thomas Knott, being a director of CompoSecure, maybe has insight that helped him. Step 3. Run the company through my Warren Buffett style checklist. Now I want PE under 20, price to free cash flow under 15, a current ratio above 1.5, debt to equity below 1, net margins above 10%, ROE above 15, ROA above 7%. If the company fails most of these requirements, I don't care if a politician actually bought it, it's not worth my money. Step 4 is to use the signal wisely. I don't mirror trades, blindly. I treat them with hints. If the company passes my filters, I add them to my watch list. But I also know where we are in the real estate cycle, near the end. That means there's a lot of volatility ahead. Even if politicians are buying, I would rather wait for the market to reset to give me true discounts because that's really when the 10x setups are actually born. Now, I do break down process like this with screen recordings, my value checklist, and the cycle timing every single week in my free newsletter, link in bio. A question: who should we track next? Name a politician down below in the comment section, and I'll do one breakdown.